Guys, we have so much food. We have nachos, corn, empanadas, tacos. We're going in.
A vibe.
Oh, it's good. I want to also dip it.
So good. Oh, and the corn is so wild.
Look at her.
So good.
We're watching Love Island.
Yes.
This is the empanada. Chicken empanada.
Yum.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. You have to try that right now. Oh my gosh, it's cheesy goodness. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Holy shit. Excuse my language. I have to take another bite.
So good. The cheese pull.
These are beautiful.
So fun.
I'm like, I don't even know where to grab.
So much going on.
That's a good one. I need to, oh.
We chose right.
And we have rosé.
Cheers.
Five in.
Really